Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to your beginner trampoline challenge. My name is Michelle. I'm here to share with you some tips on how best to use this 14-day series. First is safety. Check those legs on your trampoline to make sure they are secure. Even your jumping surface and your bungee to make sure that they are in great bouncing condition. Also, before you step on, I would give it a little wiggle to make sure the surface that you have it on is flat. Shoes. Now, personally, I do wear shoes when I'm jumping on the trampoline, but this is personal preference. So if you want to, you could try shoes. I would recommend a flat shoe versus something like a running shoe because you're already on an unstable surface, or again, go barefoot. So again, experiment with what works best for your body. One thing to realize is that if you're not used to jumping on something, you're gonna feel this in your feet, your ankles, maybe your calves. Extra stretching is recommended, or maybe just give it a little massage in those legs. This series is designed to start you off with the basics. We're going to be learning the fundamentals. These are grounded movements. That means that both feet will remain on the trampoline, and then we progress. So again, even with the time, we'll start with shorter amounts of time and then progress to doing longer workouts. In the workouts, we are jumping to the beat of the music. That is optional. If it ever feels like it's too fast, go at a pace that works best for you. The reason why we jump to the beat is because it helps with transition and it helps with intensity. And then you know what else happens? It increases the fun factor. Sometimes it feels like it's a dance and you don't realize you're really working hard as you're having so much fun. If you're brand new to jumping, this is gonna feel very unnatural. The one thing that's gonna help you the most in this program is consistency. That's gonna help you to build that strength so that you get more confident in the jumps. And the more consistent you are, not only is it great for your confidence, but you're gonna have that strength to be in control of those jumps even more. So if you ever feel like we're going too fast, give yourself some time to build that strength. Remember, we've been jumping for a few years. As far as using the series, you can go 1 through 14. You can take breaks along the way. You can throw in other workouts that you enjoy. If there's some workouts that you really do love, hey, repeat them. By repeating a workout, it can actually help you to get stronger because you'll be more familiar with the movements and you'll nail that routine even more. I'm so excited to spend the next 14 days jumping with you. I'll see you on that trampoline.